Hi everyone, are you looking for a bird feeder with a camera so you can view nature at its best right from inside your home or anywhere you want? Well, the brand sent us this little camera bird feeder to us, and it does have a little hummingbird feeder where you put water and sugar in to attract the hummingbirds, not just the birds, so it's just quite nice. So we're gonna go through the process here, getting this thing set up. One thing they do recommend you doing is you pulling out the camera and charging it first. So they do have the tabs here. They do give you a very nice, extensive manual to follow. But to do that, you just pull the two tabs here in, pull the camera out. Here's the part that gets tricky, is you need to get to this cable here and to get it unplugged first. And that is the USB cable, because it attaches to the back as it is charging your camera off the solar panel. So we need to get this unplugged first. And found out that really the best way to do it is try to get behind the cable, pull up a little bit. Once you get the cable removed, then you can lift up on the silicone cover, move it back, and then you have access to your USB, insert your TF card and SD card, I should say, and the power on, plus the resets right inside. And they do give you all the necessary hardware. They give you your solar panel, which you'll be attaching outside and connecting underneath the antenna here. This is the antenna, of course, for your Wi-Fi signal, so that will attach right underneath here. Pull down the silicone cover, and right there it is. That's where you'll be attaching your panel to charge the battery in the camera. And if you want to strap it to a tree or to a pole, they give you a nice long strap, but I'll be securing it with screws, so they do give you all the mounting hardware in these packages. So they give you little metal ring clips, so if you want to put onto a pole, they have this for you, which is really great. Screws to put into wood, which is really great too, or put into a tree. I'll be putting mine into a tree. I'll be showing you what it looks like. And if you need to charge the camera, they do give the USB cable with that little power block. So you have that as well. And if you need to eject the SD card, they do give you a little ejector pin for that to use. So they give you everything you need. Plus, so they do give you the mounting bracket for the bird feeder. And of course, you'll be having to unscrew the bottom. So you unscrew the bottom here, this will unscrew here, and this will connect to this. So it'll fit like this and screw it in. So we'll screw it just like this, and you will screw it in. So it gives you room for your antenna for the Wi-Fi to stick out the back, and you mount it to the tree. So to mount your solar panel, once you find a spot for it, you have to bend down the little stand, and this is where they have a little screw. You can screw it into the tree and secure it. So depending on how it is, set it up, screw it in, find the right angle for it for the sun, and you are golden, and you're all set. One thing nice about this bird feeder is that squirrels will not be getting to the bird feed. I have another one right now wherein squirrels, or I should say this one squirrel, is enjoying his midday lunch, and he sits there for a while, filling his belly. So this will, with this little tray in front, this will stop him from having his belly filled. But if you want to do that, that's quite all right. Fill them up. So yeah, so I'm looking to have this installed, and not having the squirrel come visit, he can go somewhere else to get his food. So let's get this stuff set up. This is a little stand, a little perch for the birds here. You just put right here on the front, snaps on in. You need to fill up the bird feed from the back, lift up the cover, bird feed goes inside, close it down. You're able to see when it needs to be refilled and how full it is, which is quite nice. This tray also pops up there as well in the front. So let's go get this installed, get the software installed that we need to be able to communicate, and let's see what we get. So I'll be inserting an SD card. You can insert a SD card up to 128 megabits, which is quite nice. So you can store stuff offline if you don't want to go get the cloud storage, which is a nice 30-day free trial. We're going to go through the process of getting this thing set up into the app and paired. I already inserted a micro SD card into the slot. Now I need to power it on, pressing the power button. It's quite loud. So it's like it's trying to discover. Let me get the app. Let's see how it goes. Getting the cable back on was a little tricky, but I got it on just to be aware. So now installing the Wi-Fi signal antenna in the back. That will help you get a better signal range depending on where it's located at. My distance is quite far from my house. I do have a Wi-Fi extender installed, and this antenna actually will help improve the range and pickup. Once you get the app installed, going through the process to create your login for your account, and now I'm discovering the birdhouse onto my network. Done, and get it connected.
Connection succeeded.
Once the blue light stops flashing, goes solid blue, that means it is completed, and now you're finishing up the remaining process of giving a name and determining the location where you want to go at. There's other features on here you can start looking at, and by going to the settings and start kind of doing tweaks to your camera if you want. But right now we're going to go get it installed on the tree. With the bracket screwed on to the tree, time to mount the bird feeder onto the base, and underneath there's different holes so you can turn it different directions, which is quite nice. With the solar panel installed, I'm now ready to see my little visitors. I really like how this bird feeder is bringing me closer to nature. I want to see the birds. It can identify the type of bird as well, from the cardinal to a red robin to a blue jay. So you're looking for a great camera bird feeder, look no further. This is a great one to pick up.